Last time on Seatramp, we relaxed a few days on Barbados before our friends Mark and Marijke arrived.
Vicent? Okay.
Macht das Sinn?
Jeppa.
Eigentlich nicht, oder?
No, if you want it.
What, Mario? Show me! That is good.
Well, maybe one can spend money on it and you're not going to find it.
Start the engine?
It's already started.
Oh really? You don't even hear it? Or off wind, of course.
Ninja?
Now we have to sail on a real boat.
Yeah, scary.
I hope you don't go overboard.
Well, we were discussing. I think chances of going overboard are at least 100 times as big.
So, maybe you would like to wear your life jacket.
No, not yet.
I was that you can film a pirate boat.
I'm less interested in pirates.
I'm a pirate too. Across the ocean, I'm a pirate. I drank a bottle of rum while I crossed the ocean. I'm a pirate.
Mark, this is actually the first time that we're going to sail with this.
Yeah, I know. But we're not really sailing, of course, yet.
Oh, look behind you, Mark. Pirates of the Caribbean.
I got the general idea that you're going to put the sail up first, the main sail, and then the...
Do you?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
Yes, but
You can do it also other way around, it just won't work.
but I read the book Sailing for Dummies, of course, already twice.
Oh, that's more than I did. But across the ocean.
Oh yes, you did.
Oh, we're so proud of you.
But you didn't cross the equator, or?
No.
Well, you gave it a good try.
12 degrees north, which was
Yeah.
pretty far south.
No, make it with your hand.
Probably you have to take it out. I've never done the combination.
Yeah, straight.
Cheers!
Cheers, mate.
Because
Well, it's difficult to hold the horizon where it should be
I just want to.
because this fucking boat goes like this. Very strange.
The captain is relaxing.
Everything's under control.
Everything is under control.
I can enjoy the day.
Hallo, wie wil het de kapelen varen? De mannen met baarden zijn. Jan Pietjoris en Corneel. Wie hebben de baarden? Wie hebben de baarden? Jan Pietjoris en Corneel. Wie hebben de baarden en baarden mee?
Don't want to get all the speed out of there.
Okay, here we go again. Guck ein bisschen raus, weil ich sehen kann, wie ich gucke.
Heb je het naar je zin, schatje?
Zo. Het begint alleen te regenen.
Oh jee.
En daar is wind.
Very well.
And if we all just float away, so far from where we came from, to find a new angelic place, all our mistakes are undone, a new beginning without end, a new release without pain. Would we repeat our faults once more? Would we not know how to change? City, skyline and fire. Street lights shine with desire. Wind blows against my skin.
That's how we cook on Seatramp. I prepare the most stuff, not the onions. And Mario has
It's the other way around. It's GreatCircle. Yeah.
I think there's coffee. Do you want a coffee, Mark?
No, thank
Mario
you.
don't want one.
There's one left.
No, yeah, it has to be more to the tail.
So that's like coffee.
Oh, you're practicing your fish look already?
Aber der ist bei dir gleich. Naja.
Would we repeat our faults once more? Would we not know how to change? And if we all just float away,
My long-term memory is gone.
Can you hold this up?
Because I have to go completely in.
What are you looking for?
My fit.
Hmm.
just want to swim over to Daniela and ask what happened with that.
Oh, yeah, with that jib yesterday.
Yeah.
It's totally off now, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, see you.
You know what I mean?
Oh, a cage,
Yeah,
a koi,
big one and they'll fish like that.
in there.
Yeah.
So you can take them, you can steal them.
Well, Mario could because he can dive.
Ha ha ha! Mario! Come and take the fish from the cave!
Yeah.
Cage!
And what was with their jib, Nina?
Oh, Felix doesn't float anymore. So they were trying with full sails out to throw the lines around Genoa to roll it in.
Yeah.
Because it buffers it. It has a special... And it's only a certain limit.
So let me in, please.
4-0 4 1.
4 ones, okay, thank you.
Who you gonna call?
No, we call my mom.
Who you gonna call?
My mom.
Oh,
was the
your
last
mom.
minute we had.
Ghostbusters
I
and your
have
mom.
no
It's...
I have no.
I'll call your mom if you continue like this. Who you wanna call?
Ghostbusters!
Could you please be so kind and pass a kiwi for the smoothie on the left of the sweet potato?
I've never seen a kiwi like this. I don't think it's still a kiwi. It's totally dried out, I think.
Ich habe hier noch eine Kiwi für dich, für den Smoothie Ninja.
Ach cool, ich wusste gar nicht, ob welche haben. Danke. Ich schmeiß sofort mal kurz das Massaker hier fertig. Wann haben wir die denn gekauft? Ich kann mich dran erinnern.
Schon ein bisschen länger, ja.
Willst du mich verarschen? Das ist doch keine Kiwi! Oh Mann! Ich habe mich schon gefreut, das hat voll gut zur Drachenfrucht gepasst. Du Fiesling, mich schon am frühen Morgen verarschen. So can you repeat your deal, please? Why you're testing the drone now into the boat? Or in the boat?
Oh, that is new.
That's the wrong one. So the arrow points
Nina,
in
you
the
have to
direction
film this.
to one.
Yeah, I just started the thing and I
but-
said they should repeat why they started drone into
But
the
for
boat.
people with some eyesight, it's already on the propellers.
I know. Well, like you said, for people with eyesight.
Yes.
Don't ignore me.
drone.
Why do you start the drone in the boat?
Put this in the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
Where's the battery?
No, it's on the bank. Put it away.
So you said if Mark crashes the drone that we do 50-50 for a new one. That's what you mean, or what?
Yeah, then why now you try the drone in the water?
Second hand, of course. Yes, because you're in the second hand business.
Yeah, sure. Don't have an advanced.
Okay. Advance came later.
Don't cut, don't hurt yourselves.
No.
Well done.
I think it has to do with rocking of the boat.
That's why I said we
Yeah.
started here.
Yeah. So if you hold it in the air. Yeah.
We always do it like that, but not on a shaking boat like this. Of course, our
I know it says calibration required again. But if we let's try it again.
Genau hinter dir.
That's prima. We'll try later. Long enough.
there might be big fish here.
Big fish?
Yeah.
Lionfish.
Oh yeah.
Yes, the lion roars at night.
See us next time when we finally leave Barbados to St. Vincent and the Grenadines.